please don't break, please don't break. We woke up a little early this morning, so we just came down to 4 Mile Beach to watch the sunrise. What started as a really nice morning has ended with our drone up in that tree. Myles has been throwing sticks and coconuts at it for about the past 20 minutes. He keeps asking to climb the tree, and I keep telling him no. He's not in a good mood. So we had gotten a ladder and a pole, and Myles attempted to get up there himself, and that didn't work, so we called in a professional. Please don't break, please don't break, please don't break, please don't break.
Oh, there it is.
So we just have to replace that propeller thing?
And hope that it's still functioning.
Yay! You made that look easy.
Yeah.
Moment of truth.
There we go.
Yay! We're getting a little bit of a later start than we had expected, but we have the drone. It's all in one piece, so now we are getting ready to go.
So we had an awesome couple of days in Port Douglas, but now we're headed north to Daintree and Cape Tribulation, and our first stop's going to be the Mossman Gorge.
To get to Mossman Gorge, you have to take a shuttle. It opens at about 8 in the morning, so there's really no way to avoid the crowds. We're here at about 10 on a Friday, so we'll see how it goes.
It turns out you can probably walk the 2 kilometers up here, but we've had enough excitement for one morning already.
It doesn't look like there's a sidewalk either.
We just got off the bus, and right now we're making our way to the gorge. Trying to keep up with Jess again. Nom nom nom.
So we made it to the 2-kilometer circuit track. There's a lot less people now. We're walking through the rainforest. It is absolutely beautiful.
Check out this tree.
How did this happen?
It's literally like a bench along the trail. Oh, that's a branch. Why is it still going this way? Oh wait, that's another tree. How beautiful is this park? We were pretty skeptical to pay $22 for a shuttle to come up here, but this walk is absolutely worth it, and it's honestly not even that crowded. We thought that other tree was impressive.
This one's got a sign. Are you checking your pockets now? Turns out Myles didn't check all of his pockets. And here's our return shuttle bus ticket. Finished the loop and now we're headed back.
Lunchtime. Probably should have taken these on our hike, but now we're eating them in the parking lot.
We just finished up lunch and we're getting back on the road. We're headed up further into Daintree, up to Cape Tribulation, and we have about an hour-and-a-half drive.
We just got to the Daintree River, and you actually have to load onto a ferry in order to cross the river.
The ferry is actually operated by these cables that just take it back and forth. very slowly.
Gonna make a quick pit stop at Thornton Beach.
I guess when there's crocodiles in the water, you get the beach all to yourself. Cheers.
We just got to our campsite in Cape Tribulation and we're getting settled in.
This definitely just became my #1 favorite holiday park so far.
It just keeps getting better.
Check out this location.